Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power sunroof, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.